If your iPhone heats up while using the Amazon app, here's how to cool things down. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and pause. Then find the Amazon app and swipe it up to close it completely. After that, update the app. And for that, go to the App Store, then tap on your profile icon at the top right corner, then scroll to see pending updates. If Amazon is listed, tap on Update. Newer versions often fix overheating bugs. Next, restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power and volume button, then slide to power off. After a few seconds, turn it back on. And if it's still overheating, delete the Amazon app and reinstall it from the App Store. This will clear hidden bugs and cache. Also, avoid using the app while charging or under direct sunlight. That adds extra heat. And that should stop the Amazon app from overheating your iPhone. If the issue keeps coming back, report it to Amazon through the app's help section. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.